Today we're at Big Oaks Nature Preserve. It looks like a cemetery, but we drove a long way, so we're gonna check it out. Come with us. Good day, mates.
Where you at, babe?
Big Oaks Nature Reserve in Pekin, Indiana.
It's right behind a church. Isn't that cool?
Sure is.
Literally.
It looks so
cute little
much
church.
like a cemetery right now, but I guess we'll try to find out what we can do here.
Yeah.
Looks open.
Creaky.
Yeah, that was kind of creepy.
I say creaky, but also creepy.
Creaky. Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you said creepy. I was like, yeah, it actually is. Okay, so some of these graves look newer. Oh, look, they got pennies.
Why?
I don't know.
I wonder.
They gave them their 2 cents. Yeah. He's like, there's my 2 cents. 1916. 1913, actually.
Wow.
Go on.
All right, so today we are at a dedicated state nature preserve right behind a church, like literally hidden in, is this Pekin or Paoli, Indiana?
Pekin.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
Indiana. It's called Big Oaks Nature Preserve. It's literally hidden. We thought we were at the wrong place because we went down another trail right over there and it said no trespassing. So we were like, oh crap. So we went down the street, turned back around, read some instructions actually, and found out we were actually at the right place, just not looking hard enough. So here we are.
Well said, babe. Well said. So Big Spring Nature Preserve. That's where we're at. This was donated in 1991.
1991.
Yeah, so it's fairly new. Not that the forest is new.
It's 33 years old.
So beautiful.
92.
Okay, calm down.
Whole time it's perfect.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Pictures. And the way the sun is like beaming through the trees is gorgeous.
It really is.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, I tell you. Gorgeous. Don't run off the side.
I know, oh my god.
I guess they have these rocks here for,
Chipmunk.
not for chipmunks. Oh,
There's 2 of them. They're so cute.
where they at though?
There's one on the boop boop, and there's one coming out of the hole on that big stone thing.
Oh, I
You
see
it?
them.
And then
Yeah.
there's one in the stone.
Aw.
You guys are so cute. Cool. Look at that big hole.
Lightning strike.
Oh, holy tree.
Yep. Splintered it.
Huh?
I said a lightning strike splintered it. I mean, yeah, you can see it over here. Ooh, mushrooms. Oh my goodness.
Mushrooms.
Ah, so pretty.
These are the coolest mushrooms I've seen IRL so far in my life that I can remember. How cool.
Yeah, me too, actually. Of course there are.
Look at that. This is a literal fossil.
Oh, wow, yeah. That's awesome.
How dope.
Yeah.
Big.
Yes. So freaking beautiful. Like literally in the middle of these woods.
These are jumpy.
Jumpy things.
Those are like water spider things.
Yeah.
There's like a spring up in here.
Yeah. And we know it has to be a spring because we have had very little rain.
Oh yeah.
I mean, we did have a lot of rain yesterday and a little bit this week, but man, we're so, yeah. Ooh, that is so pretty. Wow.
I know.
I mean, I am so overwhelmed right now, guys.
Insane. How in the world?
This is in like BFE, Indiana, literally. Like, there is a cave that has a natural spring that is bubbling up under the water, but it's really not even bubbling up. It's so peaceful. It only comes out right there, and that's private property. But yeah, that's incredible. I can't imagine. Like, it's so...
Oh my god. Word to the wise, don't hike in hay dudes, okay? Probably not a good idea. Ah! But I'm doing it.
But...
Did you say something?
No.
Oh.
Look at these outside cave structures. And of course, I think this cave has, oh, there's probably some...
Wonder if you could find mussels in here.
Maybe. But there's nothing in here.
Weird, right?
There's nothing living inside of it.
That makes no sense.